Finally, si Realme is catching up with the rest of the world dito sa Realme 14 5G. Nagbago ang kanyang design. Si Realme usually medyo mas tone down ang kanyang design, but this time around, it takes a big, huge step forward. Powered by the all-new Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 with a 6,000 mAh na battery and a really good na 50MP na OIS camera, plus yung kanyang pinagmamalaki na 120Hz na AMOLED na esports display, would this be their comeback phone? Pag-usapan natin. Now, ito si Realme 14 5G na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage is currently priced at 17,999. And I'll post the official link on the description box below. Now, honestly, yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo guys, no? Sobrang laki na nilundag ni Realme dito pagdating sa design. Normally, very plain, very simple ang design ni Realme, and yung camera module niya, normally, kinakopy lang naman nila sa iPhone. But this time around, mecha design na siya. Medyo nakokopya na yung mga design ni Infinix and ni Nubia pagdating sa mecha design, pero medyo mas simple ang approach ni Realme. Medyo mas konti ang kanyang mga design dito, unlike kay Nubia, tad-tad, no? And another thing na ma-appreciate mo dito is meron na siyang bagong design dito sa kanyang camera bump, and yung kanyang pulse light pwede mo laging naka-on. Or pwede siya mag-activate pag nag-charging ka or nag-gaming. Now, speaking of gaming, no guys, so one of the biggest improvement na dito is this one, bypass charging. I'm pretty sure ang dami sa inyo naghanap na ito, yung mga gamers out there. And pati ka ng power button, naging pula na rin, no? Nag-improve din. And probably kinopya niya kay Nubia. Now, sinabi ko sa inyo guys that this one is being powered by the all-new na Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. This is my first time to hold any phones that is released together with this new chip. And nung sinala natin sa Antutu benchmark, 745,000 points. And ito ang kanyang breakdown score. 960 ang kanyang best loop score and 98% ang kanyang stability. Ito ang nakuha natin sa CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. And ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Looking pretty good naman ang kanyang thermals, and it throttled to 90% ng kanyang best performance. Now, honestly, pagdating sa kanyang battery, malaki ang kanyang battery. 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, which is quite impressive for me. And it also comes together with a 45 watts na superbook charging support, which is going to charge your phone 50% in just 30 minutes as advertised. Another good thing is that, sinabi ko lang sa inyo kanina, this one comes together with bypass charging, which is definitely a good sign para sa mga Realme users moving forward, kasi bypass charging is definitely a must para sa mga gamers out there, which I think hindi ma-appreciate ng mga iOS users. Pagdating naman sa day-to-day usage, wala kang maging problema naman sa phone na ito as long as you're using it normally, walang heavy gaming, one whole day, walang problema dito sa Realme 14 5G. Pagdating naman sa display, this one is a 6.67-inch na AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and a 2000 nits na max brightness. Ang pinagmamalaki ni Realme dito, meron siyang 120Hz na AMOLED eSport display, which is going to be favorable sa mga gamers. And if you're scrolling naman on your favorite socials like TikTok and Facebook, expect to give you a really smooth and buttery experience. Dahil sa kanang 120Hz screen refresh rate, and as long as you have a good internet connection, maganda ang magiging experience mo dito. And if you're watching naman your favorite shows on YouTube, expect to give you a good experience din as well, dahil maganda naman kanyang display panel. Na naglaro naman tayo ng dalawang games dito, Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Farlight 84, magandang gameplay ko dito. Was able to put it on a high graphical settings, and naglaro ako ng halos ang oras dito. One of the good things dito sa kanya is magandang touch response screen, magandang display, and quite loud naman kanyang speakers dito. To my surprise, halos wala ako na feel na frame drops dito sa kanya, and quite siguro very minimal lang naman. The gaming experience was okay, and medyo mainit siya, umabot siya ng roughly 45 to 46 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, nilagay ko sa ultra frame rates and the experience is definitely good. Was able to play an hour and a half dito ng mga Battle Royale and mga rank matches and talagang ma-enjoy mo talaga dito sa phone na ito. The display is good, magandang touch response, the sound is quite okay, and the overall game experience is definitely good. Halos wala naman ako na feel na frame rates naman dito sa kanya. One thing that I can guarantee you is nag-enjoy naman ako dito and pinakamainit na inabot niya is 43 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan natin ang kanyang camera. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and it can let you shoot up to 4K and 30. Ang kanyang front-facing camera, 16MP, which can only shoot you up to 1080 and 30. Now quickly, let's check out some of the shots na nakuha natin from the Realme 14 5G. Taking a look at some of the outdoor shots na nakuha natin, honestly, I would say na magandang camera naman niya on outdoor condition. It was able to perform. Pag makakuha ka ng mga photos, it's going to be quite good, sharp, and well, quite decent naman. And ang kanyang color saturation is katamtaman lang, hindi masyadong oversaturated, which is definitely going to be good. Na kung medyo pahapon na, we'll be able to get some shots naman na matino. And I was able to get a really nice snap dito sa logo na Starbucks. May ibang mga cameras from other brands, pag pinicture mo itong logo na ito, makita mo medyo maging soft siya, medyo sabog siya konti, pero sharp pa rin itong kay Realme 14 5G, which to my surprise. And taking other signages shot dito, kahit medyo pahapon na, medyo padilim na, it was still able to get some really nice snaps naman dito. Further taking some snaps so mas lalong padilim na, okay naman siya. Lalo na itong logo na ito is definitely good. And just a random shot naman dito, nakafocus tayo sa building, okay naman ang building, sharp na sharp, pati itong signages dito sa gilid ko, sharp na sharp pa rin. No parking zone. Now, nung nilalaro naman natin ka ng zoom lenses, this is a normal shot, 2 times, and this is a 5 times zoom. Now, after zooming for 5 times, nababasa ko pa rin itong Corona Gallery, pero itong nasa gilid niya, I could hardly read the mga text na ito. Now, pumasok ka naman sa indoor, low light, honestly, I was surprised din na it was able to give me some nice shots naman. And focusing on this subject, okay naman siya. Though it tends to be a little bit soft pag zoom in mo siya, pero it was still decent naman ang shot na ito. Taking some shots naman dito sa mga product, okay naman. And taking some beam shot dito, pag zoom in mo, quite sharp pa rin naman. Itong low light shots na ito looks definitely good. And just a random snap lang dito sa loob ng coffee shop, okay naman, mukhang cozy naman siya. Now, trying the zoom naman sa loob ng coffee shop, this is a normal shot. 2 times and 5 times. Itong signage na to, after zooming for 5 times, okay pa rin siya. Probably dahil sa kanyang AI processing. More snap on indoors, okay. We'll be able to get some nice, decent shots naman from this camera. And if you check naman kanyang selfie camera on outdoor, and mukhang not bad medyo padilim na to. Around mga nasa 6 o'clock in the evening. Still nice and decent naman tong shot na ito. And nung nasa loob tayo, expect ko na talagang maging softer ang photo and honestly, it was soft nung zoom natin. Pati itong shot na ito, mapapansin mo talagang naging grainy and soft na rin talaga siya. Now, if you're using kind of front-facing camera for vlogging, honestly, it's quite blurry and medyo shaky siya. Mapapansin mo sa video, parang nanginginig yung video. So, I'm just using my bare hand for this video. And using naman kind of rear camera, medyo mas stable to compared sa kind of front-facing camera. I'm taking the stairs, honestly, it's quite okay naman. Medyo mas stabilized to compared sa likod. And the video resolution is not really that bad. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito? Is this really a comeback phone ni Realme? For me, it's a good start ni Realme. Having a better design, having a parang medyo mala gamer na ilaw dito sa likod, and also having bypass charging are some good signs na pinapakita ni Realme sa kanyang Realme 14 series. Plus yung gaming experience naman dito is quite good. Though the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 is not really built para sa mga AAA games. But if you're playing mga Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, you're playing mga ML, and mga Honor of Kings, walang problema dito sa phone na ito. It can give you a really nice, smooth experience. Probably the only question dito is sulit nga ba siya at $17,999? It has the same price tag as the Poco X7 Pro na $17,999 na $12,256 din. Saktong same price sila. Pero naka-sale ngayon si Poco X7 Pro at 16,500 pesos. Now, if you compare them both side by side, medyo iwan na iwan pa rin siya sa Poco X7 Pro. Bakit? Dahil si Poco X7 Pro meron siyang ultra-wide lens. Si Poco X7 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8400 which has a 1.5 million na Antutu benchmark score. Ito 700 lang. Si Poco X7 Pro can support up to 90 watts of fast charging. Ito kalahati lang at 45. And yet, si Poco X7 Pro mas mura kaysa dito sa Realme 14 5G. Would I recommend this phone? I would say na the better choice is to get the Poco X7 Pro. But if you're a Realme fan, this is definitely something good to start with, the Realme 14 5G. If you're interested to know kung saan pwede bumili na itong phone na ito, I'll put everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.